Hello and welcome to this webinar on how to convert from CyberCafePro 4 or 5 to the new OneRoof CyberCafePro 6. To get ready, if you're running CyberCafePro 4 or 5, please close it. And also ensure that you've backed up all your data. Go to the C drive and then Program Files and look for the CCP Server 5 folder. From there, right-click the DB folder, choose Copy, and then paste it to the desktop or any folder of your choosing. All your CCP information is now backed up. If you use custom icons in CyberCafePro 5, you might want to do the exact same thing to the icons folder. So now it's time to download the CyberCafePro 6 converter from www.cybercafepro.com/download. When you get to this page in your browser, go down to the CyberCafePro converter and click Download Now. To save time, I've downloaded ahead. So go ahead and double click it and click Run. Then select the language you'd like to use. Read the welcome screen. Read the end user license agreement and click I accept. Read the information. Choose which path you'd like to install the converter to. It's recommended you use the default path. Choose which menu shortcut to use. And choose if you'd like any additional tasks. Go ahead and install it. Read the release notes and click Leave the launch and click Finish. Once you've installed the converter tool on the same machine as your CyberCafePro main control station and launched the application, it will automatically search for your version of the MCS and update the main converter console screen with the proper information. If you installed CCP 4 or 5 using the default settings, then typically you will not need to make any changes here. However, if the tool cannot find the locations of these folders and files, you'll need to do this manually by entering the path yourself in the text boxes provided. So let's go ahead and push the Start Conversion button. This will copy all the necessary files to a working folder. By default, it will be under the C Program Files, OneRoof Converter, Workbench folder. When the conversion is successfully completed, you will find a new database and a new set of image files for your user pics folder. The conversion process will only use a copy of your files and will not write to or overwrite your files. The resulting output files are now compatible to use with the latest OneRoof CyberCafePro version 6. If during the process you have had any issues, please feel free to contact www.cybercafeprosupport.com and leave a ticket. It's now time to set up your new CyberCafePro version 6, but first we have to uninstall and delete the old version. This will involve going to the Windows Control Panel. When in the Windows Control Panel, look for the main Control Station 5 icon and choose to uninstall. Click Yes, and then OK once it asks. From here, close the Control Panel, return to the Program Files, and look for the CCP Server 5 folder. Delete the CCP Server 5 folder. Now it's time to visit CyberCafePro.com again and get the latest version of CyberCafePro. Back at the download screen, we'll get the OneRoof CyberCafePro 6.0 main control station and choose to download now. Once again, I've downloaded it in advance to save time. So go ahead and double click it and click Run. Again, you'll choose your language. Again, you'll click Next at the welcome screen. Accept the end user license agreement. Click Next. Click Next again at the information screen. Choose your default location to install the CyberCafePro. It's recommended you use the default path. Choose your components. Click Next. Choose what you'd like your startup menu folder to say. Click Next. Choose if you would like to select any additional tasks. Click Next. The next part after this is extremely important. Do not click Finish. If you click Finish, it may disrupt your conversion. Uncheck the Launch CyberCafePro MCS button, then click Finish. You do not want CyberCafePro to start before we do the next step. Next, we need to go back to our program files and go to the OneRoof converter folder, to the workbench, and then to DB. Right-click on the OneRoof ccp.mdb and choose Copy. Return to your program files, and right below it should be the OneRoof CyberCafePro server folder. Choose the DB folder, right-click and paste, choosing to copy and replace, overwriting the folder. The information is now ready for CyberCafePro 6. Exit out of this screen and you're good to launch CyberCafePro 6 now. So go ahead and double click on the desktop icon and you'll be prompted to register CyberCafePro. This must be done to use it. I have gone ahead and added all the information for the store because you probably don't want to sit and watch me type. So click Next. After that, on this screen you want to enter your administrator of your CyberCafePro test store, which is what I named the store. You want to enter the administrator information there. So for me, I've put my name and the email address, which will be associated with the administrator account. Enter a secure password between 8 and 20 characters containing numbers, letters, and symbols, and the hint for your password. In this step, you'll be instructed that you will have to enter a store license key. That will be sent to you automatically. So check your email. Make sure that you, if you haven't received it within 10 minutes, to check your spam filter. I received mine in this example within 30 seconds. So you're good to go to, once you get it, to go ahead and type in, or to copy and paste, your store license key, and then agree to the terms and click Submit. From there, your CyberCafePro should go ahead and start. With CyberCafePro 6 now running, you can go ahead and log in to the main control station by entering the email address that you just did during the registration process and the password. You will now be logged in as the administrator. As a final tip, you're going to want to set where your automatic backups go, just to protect yourself in case you ever have computer hardware failure or anything of that nature. So go to the admin section and choose the Setup Dropbox. Go to Database and choose how often you would like the auto backups to occur. Daily is best to make sure you're covered. Then choose the path by choosing the 3 dots at the end. For this example, I'll just choose the desktop. And then push OK and you're covered. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us at www.cybercafeprosupport.com. Thank you.